David Susilo Unscripted YouTube channel videos are recorded using lenses provided by ShiftCam. Welcome to David Susilo Unscripted, and here's my tutorial. So it's been about a year or two since I bought the RS3200 JVC projector. At the time, JVC shipped their projector with software version 1. And now, in October 2025, JVC just released the version 2 of the software. And the new software has new features, namely Vivid Mode, ALLM, Highlight Color Control that boosts color volume, an MPC feature that's akin to Sony's famous and highly effective smooth gradation. All you have to do is download the latest firmware, which is version 2.0, from JVC's website, put it in the USB key, plug in the USB key to the USB slot behind the projector, press menu, go to the 5th tab, go down to software updates, click OK to update, and 15 minutes later, you have version 2 installed. Now let's start with SDR recommended settings. A reminder, this is not calibration. This is just my preferred SDR settings. So just play something that's in SDR, go to More Settings, set LD power to 0, and set dynamic control to balanced. Get out from there, set color temperature to 6500K, gamma to 2.4. From there, go to MPC/eShift. Set eShift to on, graphic mode to standard, and enhance to number 3. From there, go to smoother and turn it on. This is especially crucial if you're watching streaming movies. By turning this on, you will eliminate or at least reduce color banding. Now that we're done with standard dynamic range, let's go to high dynamic range. Let's get started. First and foremost, play a movie in HDR10, not Dolby Vision, not HDR10+. Set picture mode to frame adapt HDR2, and then go to More Settings. Set LD power to 66, dynamic control to balanced, and brightness to -4. Get out of there and set Theater Optimizer to on. From there, go to screen size, screen aspect ratio, screen gain, depending on the screen size, screen aspect ratio, and screen gain you are currently using, and click Set. Get out of there and go to HDR settings, click OK, set HDR processing to frame by frame. Set HDR quantizer to auto wide, deep black to on, and highlight color, also known as color volume, to mid. Now get out of there again, go to MPC eShift, set the 8K eShift to on, graphic mode to high-res 1, enhance 5, NR 1, BNR 1, MNR 1, and smoother, also known in the Sony realm as smooth gradation, to smooth out or eliminate color banding to on. Lastly, go to motion control and set motion enhance to low. So there you go, that's the end of the tutorial. Please share your thoughts in the comments down below. Click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.